It's a 135 right beside us. I think it's a 135, not 328. Yeah, 135 IS. Damn. IS. You don't see those all the time. That's clean. Got my boy right here. Smell like rubber over here. Damn. Damn. I think a big rig is like burning tires or something. It smells hecka like rubber up here. Got my boy right here. Bro, what's up there? Bro. Damn. 135 right here, but there's somebody's burning rubber over here. Something's smoking hecka bad. Y'all see that? Oh, I think it's the guy in front of me. Oh, he's on a flat tire. Bro, the guy in front of me is on a flat tire. Damn. It smells hecka like tire smoke. Damn. It smells hecka bad. Oh, he's riding on the rim. She's riding on the rim. God, Bryce, she's riding on the rim. Bro, she's riding on the rim, bro. Oh, she finally got over. Golly, you see some crazy.
You had no idea.
Bro.
You had no idea.
Bro, what the? That's crazy. Catch back up with this 135 IS. Honestly, you rarely see 135 ISs. That's kind of crazy that we're seeing one. So that actually, so the 135 IS, if you guys don't know, it actually has the DCT transmission in it as well. But I'm not 100% sure if they use the M54 motor. You guys let me know in the comments down below. In the 135 IS, I think it's the M55 motor that they put the DCT transmission to. I could be mistaken. You guys let me know in the comments down below. Does the 135 IS have the M54 motor or the M55 motor? Honestly, I kind of forgot. I kind of forgot. So you guys let me know in the comments down below. He was chilling. He's an older guy. He ain't trying to play around like that. Damn. Where'd all this traffic come from? Come on, that's kind of crazy, honestly. Oh, someone's... Oh, hey, you can't park there. Hey, you can't park there. What the... Forgot to turn off traction control. Oh, shit. Traction control was not off. My apologies. Damn. Dang. Got a Porsche dealership. Anything nice out? Nah, no GT3s. Didn't see one. Didn't see one. Sheesh. That turbo flutter goes crazy. Ooh, them downshifts go even crazier. It's raining over here. Look how cloudy it is. Dang. it was a little overcast and it went to full on cloudy. And the weather definitely, the temperature dropped dramatically, definitely. And we got more traffic. God, that's some bull, man. And sure enough, it is pouring. Guys, it's pouring. Look at this. Guys, what the heck did we just walk into? Not even walk into, drive into. Look at this. It's coming down hard. And my traction control is still off. Oh, tripping. Guys, it's coming down crazy hard right now. I wasn't expecting this, honestly. I wasn't expecting this. Look at that. Oh my God. Guys, it is pouring. It is pouring. Oh my. Bro, my friend's on a bike. My friend's on a bike. Bro, I hope my boy's okay. Bro, oh my, oh, it's hailing. Oh, it's hailing. Oh my God. This is probably the worst storm I've driven in. Oh my. Bro, I gotta call my boy. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. This is crazy. It's almost flooded. I'm not even joking around. It's like almost flooded right here. Guys, it's almost, oh my gosh. Let me wipe my lens. Guys, it is bad out here. Can y'all hear that? Like, whoa, it's bad. It's bad. What? I gotta call my boy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on, guys. Let me call my boy. Guys, my arm is completely soaked. I'm gonna show you guys. Look at this. Completely soaked. My left arm is completely soaked. Like, what the actual? Like, what? What? Did I bring the wrong car? Like, what? That's crazy. Turn on it. Look at that. Turn on traction control a little bit. I'll turn it back on. That's a little crazy, honestly. Golly, it's pouring. Whoa. Guys, it is bad. It is bad. We're gonna have some fun, but damn, it's bad. Oh my God. Look at my arm. Look at the door. It's pouring outside. Look at the other door. Guys, it is bad out here. Gotta make sure we still smooth though, you know? Don't want a hydro plant, you know? It is wet. Oh damn. Hey, it was flooded right there. It was lightweight flooded right there. I'm not even, yep, gotta be smooth, guys. I gotta be smooth. It's coming down. We gotta get off this freeway, bruh. Oh my gosh, it's coming down. It's actually insane. It's actually insane. I don't even know if I stepped. Damn, it's coming down. It's hailing. It's hailing again. It's hailing again. What the? Well, I thought it, like, bro. We're in August right now. This is crazy right now. I'm not even joking, guys. This is crazy. Like, it's still like, it was just 85. It was just 80. Bro, I gotta put the window up. Oh my gosh. My quarter pack, bro, my quarter right there is soaking wet. What the actual, like that's crazy. This is crazy, guys, not even capping. This is crazy. Roll down the window, cause you need that window down. We can smash on the side street, but I'm not smashing in the rain on the freeway. Hey guys, hey, I'll smash on the side streets, not on the freeway. I promise you. Hey. I still got a noggin, you know what I'm saying? I still got the noggin. If y'all smashing in the rain going crazy, hey, all I gotta say is, hey, praying for y'all brothers. Praying for y'all brothers, because, hey, that's probably the most sketch thing you can do is smash. Well, you know, this is like, what, almost a 600 horsepower, almost. You know, not currently at this very stage, but like, you know what I'm saying? But almost a 600 horsepower car smashing in the rain, bro. Like, nah. That's kind of crazy. It's a little better on the side streets, like, you know what I'm saying? You can have your little fun at like the stoplights and stuff, but on the freeway, nah, I won't be smashing going crazy on the freeway if it's wet outside. I still got some damn near some, you know, street competition tires on the back, so it's not even ready to be smashing off in the rain like this. Red, yellow, like, oh, that was a hot, oh, I felt it. I felt the back end swivel out as soon as I stepped on the gas. I didn't even do nothing. I literally just stepped on it just to get through that yellow light. Yeah, we gotta be so smooth right now. Bro, my boy's on a freaking motorcycle. Can y'all believe that? My boy's on a motorcycle and he's riding through this? Man, I know God's riding with that boy, because I don't know how you ride in this weather on a bike. Like, that's honestly insane. Like, I'm stepping on it. Look at the traction control. Look at the traction control, like, every time I step on it. Watch this. Every time I step on it. Look at that. Every time, like, it's trying to keep me so straight. Like, I promise you guys, it's stupid wet outside. My tires are breaking loose. Every time that traction control light comes on, you know I'm breaking loose easily. Look at that. Got some boys on a bike. This is what I was doing when I was their age. Were y'all doing this when y'all was that age? Was y'all on bicycles or y'all was in the house? When I was younger, I was on bike. I was on bikes. They doing what they supposed to. They riding in the rain. That's some real ones right there. That's some real ones right there. But damn, guys, it is. Look at the ground, guys. I don't know why it looked freaking like someone just pressure washed this. Like, look at that. It's like soap and shit. I don't know. Guys, it is bad. I had to turn on the freaking air conditioning because freaking my window's fogging up. Guys, it is crazy bad out here. It is bad. Guys, we made it. But look, that's just showing you how hot my turbo is getting. And look at this. But my boy made it. Thank God he made it, because guys, it was pouring. It's still coming down right now. But look, you can just tell. That's right where my turbo is. My turbo's sitting right here, and you can see the steam coming off that thing. But hey, thank God we made it. Ain't the man above, we made it, because guys, it was coming down hard. But we gonna chill up for a second and we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do, because you guys can see, yeah, it's coming down pretty hard. and definitely cleared up a lot more, honestly. A whole lot more. Blue skies, as you guys can see. It definitely cleared up a lot. Wait for this light to turn red, or green. Turn green, which it did. Wait for this guy. Turn green. We off to the races, but it definitely cleared up a lot. Like, quite a bit. This is the good weather we like. You guys like it when it's super raining like that? I don't know, honestly, there's gonna be a time and a place for rainy weather, but right now I'm enjoying the sunshine, because when it's raining like that, I can't even be smashing like that. I learned my lesson when I was younger, when I was trying to smash off in the rain. Yeah, you gotta be smoothing in the rains, but in the, you know what I'm saying, on the dry, we could do shit like, you know? We ain't gotta worry about nothing. I know. Little rolling burnout, never hurt nobody.
Oh, you go, keep going that way.